enzymes are being discovered at an increasing rate from 80 in 1930s to more than 3000 in the present day. Many enzymes have been named by adding the suffix ase to the name of the substrate, that is, the molecule over which the enzyme exerts its catalytic action. Example, urease catalyzes the hydrolysis of urea to ammonia and CO2, arginase catalyzes the hydrolysis of arginine to ornithine and urea, and phosphatase catalyzes the hydrolysis of phosphate esters. This is the trivial system of classification and is not very successful and accurate because many enzymes have been given chemically uninformative names, example pepsin, trypsin, rennin, catalase, etc. Moreover, the number of newly discovered enzymes is also rapidly increasing and there was lack of consistency in nomenclature. Hence, the necessity arose to classify these enzymes in a systematic manner. A commission was appointed by the International Union of Biochemistry, later renamed as IUBMB, International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, and International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. The President, Marcel Florkin, established the International Enzyme Commission in 1961. The systematic classification of enzymes has been adopted on the recommendation of the International Enzyme Commission. Each enzyme has been assigned a recommended name which is short and appropriate for everyday use and a systematic name which identifies the reaction that the enzyme catalyzes. Each enzyme is also given a classification number which exactly indicates the complete mechanism of the reaction catalyzed by that enzyme. The Enzyme Commission in 1961 devised a system for assigning code numbers to individual enzymes based on the classification, and these code numbers have been widely used with the prefix EC. The code number is a 4-digit number. The first number indicates the class, second number indicates the subclass of the class, the third number indicates the subclass of that subclass of that class, and the fourth number is the serial number of the enzyme in its subclass and is continuously increasing. Some trivial names were also retained and the vague and misleading ones were altered. The Enzyme Commission system of classification. All the enzymes were divided into 6 classes and the first digit shows to which class the enzyme belongs. These classes are oxidoreductase, which catalyze oxidation reduction reactions; transferase, which catalyze the transfer of an atom or groups between two molecules. Here, a chemical group is transferred from a donor substrate to an acceptor substrate. The hydrolases, which catalyze hydrolysis reactions in which a bond is hydrolyzed to produce two fragments. The lyases, which involve removal of a group from substrate not by hydrolysis and leaving a double bond. The isomerase, catalyzing isomerization reactions, mainly one substrate one product reactions. The ligases, which involves the synthetic joining of two molecules coupled with the breakdown of the pyrophosphate bond in a nucleoside triphosphate. The 6 main classes of enzymes are oxidoreductase. All the enzymes catalyzing oxidation and or reduction reactions are classified in this class. The substrate which is oxidized is considered as hydrogen donor and the systematic name is based on donor acceptor oxidoreductase. This class includes dehydrogenases, oxidases, peroxidases, oxygenases and all the enzymes which incorporate molecular oxygen into molecules being oxidized. The second digit in the code number of oxidoreductase indicates the donor of the reducing equivalents, hydrogen or electrons involved in the reaction. The hydrogen or electron donor 1.1 acting on CH-OH group of donors, 1.2 aldehyde or keto group of donors C double bond O, 1.3 CH-CH group of donors, 1.4 primary amine CH-NH2, 1.5 secondary amine CH-NH, 1.6 acting on NADH or NADPH as donors only when some other redox catalyst is the acceptor. Now, let us talk about 1.1 acting on CH-OH group of donors. This subclass contains the enzymes which convert CH-OH to C double bond O groups in many alcohols, sugar alcohols, hydroxy acids, sugars and hydroxyl steroids. Depending on the nature of the acceptor, they are further classified into subclasses. 1.1.1 with NAD plus or NADP plus as acceptor, example alcohol dehydrogenase EC1111, systematic name alcohol NAD plus oxidoreductase. 1.2 subclass acting on the aldehyde or oxo group of donors. This subclass contains the aldehyde oxidizing enzymes as well as some specific enzymes concerned with energy utilization. According to the nature of acceptor, these are further divided into subclasses. 1.2.1 with NAD plus or NADP plus as acceptor. Example is aldehyde dehydrogenase EC1213, systematic name aldehyde NAD plus oxidoreductase. 1.3 acting on CH-CH group of donors. This subclass contains the enzymes which remove 2 hydrogen atoms from the CH-CH group of the substrate to form C double bond C group. Depending on the nature of the acceptor, this subclass is divided into subclass. 1.3.1 with NAD plus or NADP plus as acceptor. Example is dihydrouracil dehydrogenase EC1311, systematic name 5,6 dihydrouracil NAD plus oxidoreductase. The subclass 1.4 acting on CH-NH2 group of donors. These enzymes bring about oxidative deamination and the imine formed is hydrolyzed to give an oxo group and ammonia. This class is divided into subclass depending on the nature of acceptor. 1.4.1 with NAD plus or NADP plus as acceptor. Example is alanine dehydrogenase EC1411, systematic name L-alanine NAD plus oxidoreductase deaminating. 1.5 acting on CH-NH group of donors. The enzymes belonging to this subclass oxidize substituted amines without releasing ammonia. This subclass is also further divided into subclasses depending on the nature of acceptor. 1.5.1 with NAD plus or NADP plus as acceptor. Example is tetrahydrofolate dehydrogenase EC1513. Systematic name 5678 tetrahydrofolate NADP plus oxidoreductase. 1.6 acting on NADH or NADPH as donors. The enzymes of this subclass use NADH or NADPH as donors. This subclass is also further divided into subclasses depending on the nature of the acceptor. 1.6.1 with NAD plus or NADP plus as acceptor. Example is NAD or NADP transhydrogenase EC1611. Systematic name is NADPH NAD plus oxidoreductase. The second class is transferase. Transferases are the enzymes catalyzing the reaction involving a group transfer. The nomenclature is based on the scheme donor, acceptor, group being transferred, transferase. The recommended names are normally formed as acceptor group transferases or donor group transferases. The subclasses of transferases are 2.1 transferring 1 carbon groups, 2.2 transferring aldehyde or keto groups, 2.3 transferring acyl groups, 2.4 transferring glycosyl groups, 2.5 transferring alkyl or aryl groups other than methyl groups, 2.6 transferring nitrogenous groups, 2.7 transferring phosphorus containing groups, 2.8 transferring sulfur containing groups. The subclass 2.1 transferring 1 carbon groups. These enzymes transfer 1 carbon group during the reaction from a donor to the acceptor. Mostly the enzymes of this group are involved in biological methylation, biosynthesis of purines and in carboxylations. These are further subdivided into subclasses depending on the exact nature of the group being transferred. 2.1.1 methyl transferases. Example is nicotinamide methyl transferase EC2111. Systematic name S-adenosyl methionine nicotinamide and methyl transferase. The subclass 2.2 transferring aldehyde or ketonic groups. These enzymes transfer aldehyde or keto group from the donor to the acceptor. Mostly these enzymes are involved in photosynthesis and pentose phosphate pathways. There is only one subclass of this subclass having only 2 enzymes, namely transketolase EC2211, systematic name pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate deglyceraldehyde 3-phosphate glycol aldehyde transferase, and transaldolase EC2212, systematic name D pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dihydroxyacetone transferase. The subclass 2.3 transferring acyl groups. These enzymes transfer acyl groups through coenzyme A. The carboxyl group of the acids link with the sulfhydryl group of coenzyme A, forming a thiol ester linkage. Mostly the enzymes are involved in metabolism of fats. This subclass is further divided into subclasses depending on the exact nature of the group transferred. 2.3.1 Transferring acyl groups. These enzymes transfer acyl group. Example is glycine acyl transferase, EC23113, systematic name acyl coenzyme A glycine N acyl transferase. 2.4 Transferring glycosyl groups. These enzymes catalyze the transfer of a sugar moiety to various acceptors, especially to an OH group of another sugar or a phosphate molecule or to a nitrogen atom of a heterocyclic ring. This subclass is further divided into subclasses depending on the exact nature of the glycosyl moiety being transferred. 2.4.1 Transferring hexosyl sugar. These enzymes transfer hexosyl moiety to the acceptor. Example is alpha glucan phosphorylase, EC2411, systematic name D alpha 1,4 glucan orthophosphate alpha D glucosyl transferase. The subclass 2.5 Transferring alkyl or aryl groups other than methyl groups. These are heterogeneous group of enzymes transferring R3C groups, that is substituted or unsubstituted alkyl groups. There is only one subclass of this subclass 2.5.1. Example is methionine adenylyl transferase, EC number 2516, systematic name ATP L methionine S adenylyl transferase. 2.6 Transferring nitrogenous compounds. These are the enzymes involved in the transfer of one electron pair and a proton together with the NH2 group from a primary amine to an oxo compound. Mostly the enzymes are involved in the amino acid metabolism. This subclass is further divided into subclasses depending on the exact nature of the group being transferred. 2.6.1 Transferring amino groups. These enzymes transfer amino group to the acceptor. Example is alanine amino transferase, EC number 2612, systematic name L-alanine 2-oxoglutarate amino transferase. The subclass 2.7 Transferring phosphorus containing groups. These enzymes transfer phosphorus containing groups to the acceptor. Mostly the enzymes transfer a phosphoryl group from ATP to a hydroxyl group forming a low energy bond. Therefore, the reaction is irreversible. This subclass is further divided into subclasses. However, here the subclass are given on the basis of nature of the acceptor rather than the exact nature of the group being transferred. 2.7.1 Phosphotransferases with an alcohol group as acceptor. In this subclass, primary alcoholic group is the acceptor of the phospho group. Example is hexokinase, EC2711, systematic name ATP dehexose 6-phosphotransferase. 2.8 Transferring sulfur containing groups. These are the enzymes transferring sulfur atoms, sulfate groups or coenzyme A to the acceptor. This subclass is further divided into subclasses depending on the exact nature of the group being transferred. 2.8.1 Sulfur transferases. These enzymes transfer sulfur to the acceptor. Example is thiosulfate sulfur transferase EC2811, systematic name thiosulfate cyanide sulfur transferase. The third class is hydrolases. These enzymes catalyze the hydrolysis of various bonds. Hydrolases have been divided into different subclasses. 3.1 acting on ester bonds, 3.2 acting on glycosyl bonds, 3.3 acting on ether bonds, 3.4 acting on peptide bonds, the peptide hydrolases, 3.5 acting on carbon nitrogen bonds other than peptide bonds, 3.6 acting on acid anhydrides, 3.7 acting on carbon-carbon bonds, 3.8 acting on halide bonds, 3.9 acting on phosphorus nitrogen bonds, 3.10 acting on sulfur nitrogen bonds, 3.11 acting on carbon phosphorus bonds. The subclass 3.1 acting on ester bonds. This subclass includes the enzymes of comparatively low specificity. They are specific for the ester linkage to be hydrolyzed. This subclass is further divided into subclasses depending on the more precise nature of the ester bond to be hydrolyzed. 3.1.1 Carboxylic ester hydrolases. These enzymes hydrolyze carboxylic esters. Example is aryl esterase EC3112, systematic name aryl ester hydrolase. 3.2 acting on glycosyl compounds. These are glycosidases and transfer glycosyl moiety to oligosaccharides and other alcoholic acceptors. This subclass is further divided into subclasses depending on the exact nature of the glycosidic bond to be hydrolyzed. 3.2.1 Hydrolyzing O-glycosyl compounds. These enzymes hydrolyze the glycosidic bond joined through O. Example is alpha amylase EC3211, systematic name 1,4-alpha D glucanohydrolase. This enzyme hydrolyzes endogenously 1,4-alpha D glucosidic bonds in polysaccharide containing 3 or more 1,4-alpha linked glucosyl units. The subclass 3.3 acting on ether bonds. These are the enzymes hydrolyzing ether bonds in the compounds. This subclass is further subdivided into subclasses depending on the more precise nature of the ether bond. 3.3.1 Hydrolyzing thioether bonds. These enzymes hydrolyze thioether linkage in the compounds. Example is adenosyl homocysteinase EC3311, systematic name S-adenosyl L-homocysteine hydrolase. 3.4 Acting on peptide bonds. These are the enzymes hydrolyzing peptide bonds. They do not normally have substrate specificity. These are divided further into subclasses depending on the more precise nature of the substrate peptide bond. 3.4.11 hydrolyzing alpha amino acyl peptides. Example is aminopeptidase EC 3,4,11,1. Systematic name alpha amino acyl peptide hydrolase cytosol. 3.5 acting on carbon nitrogen bonds other than peptide bonds. The enzymes of this subclass do not hydrolyze peptide bonds, but hydrolyze the other CONH bonds. Some enzymes open the heterocyclic rings, while some are involved in the formation of excretory products of nitrogen metabolism. This subclass is further divided into subclasses depending on the more precise nature of the substrates. 3.5.1 substrates are linear amides. Example is urease EC 3,5,1,5. Systematic name urea amido hydrolase. 3.6 acting on acid anhydrides. The enzymes of this subclass mainly act on diphosphate bonds. This subclass is further divided into subclasses depending on the more precise nature of the substrates. 3.6.1 substrates are phosphorus containing anhydrides. Example is inorganic pyrophosphatase EC 3,6,1,1. Systematic name pyrophosphate phosphohydrolase. 3.7 acting on carbon-carbon bonds. There are only few enzymes hydrolyzing carbon-carbon bonds. They mostly catalyze the hydrolysis of 3-oxocarboxylic acids. There is only one subclass of this subclass. 3.7.1 example is kynureninase EC 3,7,1,3. Systematic name L-kynurenin hydrolase. 3.8 acting on halide bonds. These enzymes hydrolyze organic halide. This subclass is divided into subclasses depending on the more precise nature of the substrates. 3.8.1 substrate are carbon halide compounds. Example is alkyl halidase EC number 3,8,1,1. Systematic name alkyl halide halidohydrolase. 3.9 acting on phosphorus nitrogen bonds. This is the phosphoamidase group. There is only one subclass of this subclass. 3.9.1 example is phosphoamidase EC 3,9,1,1. Systematic name phosphoamide hydrolase. 3.10 acting on sulfur nitrogen bonds. There is only one subclass of this subclass 3,10,1. Example is sulfoglucosamine sulfamidase EC 3,10,1,1. Systematic name 2-sulfamido-2-deoxy D-glucose sulfamidase. 3.11 acting on carbon phosphorus bonds. This subclass enzymes hydrolyze carbon phosphono groups. There is only one subclass of this subclass 3,11,1. Example is phosphonoacetaldehyde hydrolase EC 3,11,1,1. Systematic name 2-oxomethyl phosphonate phosphonohydrolase. The classes 4, 5 and 6, that is lyase, isomerase and ligase, will be discussed in part B of the classification of enzyme module.